Welcome, my dear fellow collectors, to a short in-between video of Busy from Germany. Before I show you my next videos, I wanted to do a very short video about an in-between thing. It's before I start with the series about the arms. You should see what I'm taping now. We're gonna work with this arm in the next weeks, and yeah, I want to tell you that this is our topic. I want to do a bit more research in the next month because I think we could do a bit more of hobby invention in my videos. But I also want to tell you that I don't get any money for doing this. This is my own personal research. I would be glad if you join me on my way. Yeah, but I have to say this is not for mass production. My method is not for mass production. I won't get any money for it, but I would like to do more research and understand better how the production itself was made for these arms, and yeah, see what happens in my next videos. I hope you join my way. Your Busy from Germany.